5 hidden LinkedIn features you should start using. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you know LinkedIn has a bunch of secret features hidden inside that can make your networking way easier and more effective? So, let's dive right in. Open up your LinkedIn app and then go to home. And have you ever found a post that you found interesting and didn't have the time to read it? Then what you can do is you can tap on the three dots and then hit save. Now you can find all your saved items in your profile. You can go to your profile and then tap on saved post, and then all of your saved posts will be right there. And another one is you can come back and then go to the search bar on the top, and then you can see the QR code option. So if you tap on this, you'll be able to share your QR code with others, and if you allow camera access, you can also scan others' QR code to connect easily. There is no typing required, so you can try it at the next event or meetup. And then you can come back, and now this one is seriously underrated. So you can go to My Network tab at the bottom, and then you can search for people you know. You can type name and invite them to connect. And then if you have the person's contacts, then your contacts will appear here. Then if you go to the messaging icon on the top right and then start a message, then you can tap on the file icon on the left hand side, and then here you can even draft a message with AI. So it's a real new feature that is very handy. And then if you go to your profile and then tap on the gear icon on the top and then go to visibility, then you can see profile viewing options, and you can set your profile to private mode and you will appear as anonymous LinkedIn member to others. So this will help you protect your privacy. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.